The future of AMG is six-cylinder. The future has arrived, and it sounds more familiar than we expected. I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we are witnessing the return of a legend. This is the 2027 Mercedes-AMG GLC 53. After a brief era of four-cylinder experimentation, Mercedes-AMG has officially pivoted back to the straight-six heart. This 2027 model isn't just a new year, it's a commitment to performance purists who demanded the soul of Affalterbach be restored. Let's see how the king of performance SUVs has evolved. Engine: the 2027 3.0L powerhouse. Under the hood of the 2027 model, the 3.0-liter turbocharged Inline-Six makes a triumphant comeback. Delivering a massive 443 horsepower and assisted by an electric auxiliary compressor, this engine eliminates turbo lag entirely. For 2027, the 48-volt mild hybrid system has been further optimized for even smoother power delivery, allowing this beast to hit 100 km per hour in just 4.1 seconds. This is the mechanical symphony we've all been waiting for. Tech and dynamics. 2027 innovation. The 2027 GLC 53 isn't just about raw power, it's about control. It features the latest 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive, now with a more refined drift mode calibration. Standard rear axle steering and the 2027 spec AMG Ride Control adaptive suspension ensure that this SUV handles with the precision of a low-slung coupe. Inside, the MBUX system has been upgraded to its most intuitive version yet, offering AMG-exclusive telemetry to track every millisecond of your drive. A masterclass in listening, with its iconic Panamericana grille and the much-celebrated return of the six-cylinder exhaust note, the 2027 GLC 53 is a bold statement from Mercedes. They've proven that listening to the fans is the ultimate performance upgrade. Is this the best SUV Mercedes has ever made? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm Ava. Stay smart, stay curious, and as always, blue skies ahead.